Welcome to the HSJ Summit, the UK's premier policy retreat for healthcare leaders. Today we've had 150 of the most senior healthcare leaders in the NHS discussing issues ranging from STPs to finance. We've heard from Health Secretary Jeremy Hunt and from NHS Improvement Chief Executive Jim Mackey.
The HSJ Summit is the one time in the year where you can really meet and mingle with the whole breadth of the NHS leadership world, whether that's in arm's length bodies or in trusts or CCGs and the voluntary sector. And it also gives us a place to think about what's come before us but also what's ahead of us.
I think if I'm being truthful, I've enjoyed every session. Everyone has a different perspective. I thought the session first thing this morning, thinking about what some of the big themes are, the USA election and Brexit and how the economy will be affected by those and how they'll affect health and care. But I've really enjoyed those sessions where people have been reflecting on developments in policy like the new models of care, but really thinking about what this means for patients, what it means for families receiving care, what it means for the staff working in services, as well as boards and chief executives, and what it means for them in terms of leading change.
I'm a pretty regular attender at HSJ Summit, and there are good reasons. Hearing the Secretary of State, hearing Jim Mackey give their views on where we are at the moment, but also going to a very good session on regulation and how CQC and NHS Improvement are working together. That was important too.
So I've just come out of the session around STPs, and in particular very interested to hear what John Rouse and Stephen Dorrell had to say about the governance arrangements. Boring stuff, but really crucial to get right to avoid falling out or indeed the risk of judicial review and challenge down the line as we try to find a new way of making collaborative decisions together.
It was a really good session. It led off with a really good analysis from the Nuffield Trust of some of the issues we face, but also some of the things that employers across the country have done to address those challenges. And there was a really good challenging discussion with the audience as well. And there's a real impatience, I think, to kind of up the speed of change and the ambition of what it is we can do with our people, and that was a really good discussion to have. It brings together a really interesting cross-section of people from different settings, different organisations, in a much more relaxed environment, which means actually that the quality of engagement is higher. The quality of discussion and debate is higher than many events that you might go to.
The debate has been honest and direct and, we hope, well informed.